Hi, I'm here today to talk to you about this collapsible cone-shaped stool. This is a lifesaver, especially for someone like me. I do a lot of traveling and I'll do a lot of sitting around waiting. Well, I sit around if I can find a seat, but sometimes you just cannot find a seat. So I make sure I take this with me. And let me show you how easy it is. This is great if you're going maybe camping or festivals. I have a lot of festivals coming up and I want to make sure I have some place to sit. So you just pull it out and twist at the same time, and now you have a stool. It has this additional little cushion you put right on here. It fits right into those holes, and now you've got a nice little seat to sit on. You don't need a full-blown stool such as this, but the nice thing about this is, especially if you have a child, and you just pull them down, and now you can make it a smaller one. So a child can sit on it, or you can use it as a footstool. It's pretty versatile, and it's easy, lightweight, and easy to carry. You just keep twisting until it goes right back into its original form. It comes with a extra carrying case, so I'll be carrying this to all my festivals this year. I'm going to store this actually in my car, so I always have it with me. And that's just my honest opinion.